Boy, when you look on that video there, that a Fari done out of Trinidad. Him dead 6 months ago. And couple vloggers talk about him, but them just report the news. Well, look on him funeral and look on him family and friends them. Straight kind of pocomania, but couple things jump out at me with the youth here and him funeral and everything. He was an artist in the Sixx camp. Cause you know squash have the Sixx camp over Trinibad and them there Jamaica and I guess them there America too. I don't know what going on with squash. But yo, this video and the situation with the youth here, with the Sixx gang, G City out of Trinidad, and the 7 gang, yo, it crazy. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember, Philippi, Lalapike, and subscribe. All upon hit the notification button. Yo, you know say, countryman, me nah just go repost the news. You know me I go break it down and give my profile, but me do a video upon the 6 and 7 gang. And you have the leader of the G City gang. Well, you know say them shoot off of him and him and him girl and 2 other youth did in the car. You listen to this and then me I go come back and talk about Fari done. Remember now, me I go play something from Fari done too. Like me say, enough vlogger talk about it, but them just rebroadcast the information. But yo, me I go break this thing down. Yo, that warrior deadly, pretty much mouth badness, and it just get out of control. This time sister I talk about the situation after them shoot up the car with him and a girl and a youth tonight. I pay bad old she a cuss up. Yo, listen to this and then me I go come back in, see?
Fucking you see that one you now try that I was in that fucking car? Yeah, wait till I really said I just up on it on fucking on. Time I want you know. You see the gunmen and them. Yeah, tell them the police here. Tell them the police here. All you mess, eh? All you mess like my slippers. I have to run up my slippers, gunshots in my mother can.
So that was this youth here, Tyson. I'm sister that attack. So she have to run out her damn slippers cause gunshot cause them blow some shot off him. Now, this a G City leader in Trinidad, the 6 gang, and them a beef with the 7. Now, me I go play the funeral thing for Fari done in the 6 camp. Watch this. Now, I play that I'm funeral, you know. I'm funeral, I used to say, him family them look like and the people them look like them deal with some pocomania thing that are far right done. But couple things kinda stick out to me. Him a do the music now, you know, and him sound good. And in them video them appear flashy like them have money and them thing there, but in funeral was pretty much just one little poor funeral like in the country area. I don't know, but you would think as a big time artist or whatever, them a make money, he would have a better send off. But that wasn't the case with this guy. So that begs me to think that them not really make no money. Me not really criticize the dead. Cause actually, I find that situation here really sad about that youth here. I just show the where them project, it seems like it's the opposite. Alright. Now, another reason why I say no money and no flex and them a mouth bad boy. Look how them catch him off guard. Now, look how him sit down in this place here. Restaurant bar, him and a youth attack. And then them come and them catch him off guard. And him lose him 3 points. Now, me say that for say this. If you are big time artist and you spew war and them thing there, you're supposed to have your crew with you at all times. You're supposed to have your bodyguard them with you. You understand? Not more than him did so. And a little pum pum see him and make a phone call. And then the man them come for him. So I just want to prove them point here with the youth them, the Sixx gang and the badness and how them a flex with the badness, but them are a real bad man. Now the youth here, Fari done. Me listen to him tune them and think, I say me never dare go do no video upon him, cause yo, the artists them at Trinidad are dead like fly to blow up. But me listen to one of them tune, that tune here, with the video. And I play a little clip out tight and hear what I say.
Me tired fi see me dog them beneath ground. Tired to so much R.I.P. dep and road. Strong boss, the boy them a try play confused. Kill Rebel Sixx and while we watch it pan news.
Now that youth here sound good, me not lie, but listen to him tune. A straight banging, gang banging, Rebel Sixx. You must say the man them are dead and all of them thing there. You understand? Now me play him video and me play the video when him in the place sit down. You understand? And me also play him funeral. And me do that for say this. It shows say them youth here. I do them gang banging and them I do the music. And them not understand badness. And it seems like they are broke. Or even if you're not broke, when you have flex certain way and I do certain things, my youth, you feel have all 10, 20 man around you. You understand? Cause you see if me was doing music and I say I preach badness, and my thing a boss way, yo, when me go out, you best believe say all 10, 20 man there around me. You understand? Me not even eat people food, my youth. Me won't even sit down in them little loose place there. You understand? Me have to have a body man like the president go taste my food and all them thing there. Because him sit down and them catch him off guard. So, me say that, for say this, it seems like them broke. It seems like them not understand the badness and how to flex down there in Trinidad. The man them just a move wild. You understand? And the man them take rich badness to another level. Like me say, Trinidad is strategically placed 8 miles from Venezuela. Suriname, not too far from Guyana either. And because of that, them have the coke, them have the guns them are coming in from them area there. You understand? And Trinidad have gold. Them have oil, them have asphalt, them have good agriculture, and them have tourism. Trinidad is a very rich country. Now, Trinidad is classified as a first world country, you know, and people there, them get like benefits and stuff. You know, how the government deal with them, that's something else. But me know a typical widow's benefit would be like 500 Trinidad a month, maybe more by now. You understand? So, rich badness. Now, me I go play the video when Fari done. I go on the social media and start threatening other people. Now, me hear say the war start over girl. 6 and 7 boss them a war over girl. But it seems like it goes a little bit further because it seems like one of them gang is aligned with another major gang like Rasta City. You understand? So Rasta City have something to do with this. So may I play that little video, yeah? This is the video where the vlogger them did I play. But may I play it and make on hear it and then come back, interject, and then me I go round it up. Cause really and truly, it's sad.
All your mother cut now, boy. Come on the Sixx, them with fucking now, boy. ABG, boy, if it's Sixx, man, the Sixx war. 6 bullet full your mother cunt. Sure about that. A6G. We run things, boy. We run things by fucking plumpy, boy. Monkey know what you to climb, you know. What I show this, this too big one, let's go paper, go fucking tree all and climbing that, you know. All and climbing that fucking tree at all. I show about that. Yeah, son, he from Tobago too. Colanji is my dog from Tobago too. You dig? You like how we come through and taking all your shine and we taking and fucking tinging. Huh? Your mother cut now, boy. You saw you just dance on the video, all you gun. Real fancy boy thing. All you got dance on that bullet, you know. Watch. All on fair game just play over 10 fucking times.
No, that's the video where everybody play and it go viral. And 6 months later, I'm dead. The man them shoot him in at the restaurant. Now, like again, I say, that youth here, him is really the poster boy for how sad this gang thing is. And it shows how infectious it coming like COVID, how infectious it is. Now, Fari Dan, as you can see, him not come from no rich family. Let me show him funeral again. Him get a break in the music thing, and before him focus upon the music and get himself out of poverty and economics, where him focus upon was violence, gangbanging, and feel invincible and egotistical. Look upon him funeral, it a play in front of Uno. Him coming out one little board casket, and the people them there, you know, see no whole heap of money are throwing at him grave, you know, see no entertainer there. Really and truly, you know, see nobody. More than family and friends it look like. And it's such a sad scene, that's why me start the video with him funeral. And for sure how sad it is. And me I talk about the 6 and the 7 gang. The 7 gang is very elusive. And them align with another gang. And me I go find out which gang them align with. And like me say, this video turned into such a sad thing for me. And it just really F up how Squash and J-Man them Me I say the whole of them get opportunity, you know. And them had the opportunity to expand them franchise in a legit way. But what the man them a do? Them a preach violence, them a gang bang, and them a dead off. More of them in a Trinidad than anything else, because it's like Trinidad, and I don't say this to be disrespectful, them a do them dancehall thing, but them is still behind. It's like when something come out of foreign, then later on you see it at Jamaica, you see it yes, and you see it there. So people still a break dance in a Japan to blow out, if you ask me. So Trinidad is a little bit behind in terms of the dancehall and the dynamics, because like when Bounty and certain man did a war and Shabba them never bring no violence in it, even though they were from certain era with violence and they might know gunman and badman. In this case, it's similar but very, very different. You understand? And it really, really sad how the youth are end up. Fari done from out of the Sixx camp, and then Rebel Sixx too. And it goes on and on and on. Like me say, my name is Countryman. And you know when you come at them place here, my channel, me I go break it down and go, you know, a detailed profile as much as I can. And it just really sad to see how the youth here end up and the war goes on. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video and give me 100 million like on that one, yeah. Very sad in a Trinidad, yo.